Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited to unbox my June Boxycharm. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, they are a subscription that you get monthly. There are different sized boxes. The one that I get is the base box. It is $27.99. You get 5 full-sized beauty items. They could be makeup, they could be skincare, they could be tools. You get to choose one of the products, and then they have this fantastic thing called Drop Shop, where every month you get to go in and pick discounted items if you wish to purchase them, and they are current makeup products. Fantastic finds I have found there. I love Boxycharm. Most of the time I get great boxes. I am excited to show you what I got today. I did cheat a little bit and peek to see if there was any makeup in here so that I could go over the products and apply them with you. Spoiler alert, there's some makeup in here, so we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna apply some of the products that I got in here on my face. So I'm gonna open this up and talk about the card. It is Pride Month, and it says here, Boxycharm, express yourself. On the back, it tells me everything that I got in the box, some information about that product, and of course, the retail price. For $27.99, I believe you're valued at least $125 in retail product value. So if that sounds exciting, just keep watching. The first product that I'm going to pull out is a non-makeup item, but it is a skincare item. This is the Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish, an indulgent polishing scrub powered by turmeric to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. It retails for $38. I've heard of the brand Volition. I think maybe I got a primer from that brand last month. I don't know, but this is what the packaging looks like. It says here, gently massage onto wet skin and leave for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply to face and body once a week. I'm not sure if this removes makeup, but I do have makeup removing balms, so I'll try it by itself. I'll try it with the balm, but I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna give it a little sniff, see what it smells like. I don't smell anything, so that is good. It's sort of a brown consistency. Oh, it's got a little bit of a grit to it. Good first product. The next one is this one from Dr. Brandt. It is the Backlight Primer, formatted to fade out your biggest beauty boundaries such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The antioxidant-rich formula gently blends into the skin, providing a smoother appearance and prolonging the wear time of makeup. Sounds fabulous. Value on this one is $38. Looks like it's got a little bit of a tint to it. I'm not sure how much to apply. Feels lightweight. It's got a little bit of a scent to it, but it smells like skincare. It's got a little bit of a glow. It looks okay. Not sure I will use this, but I have some dry-skinned family members and friends that may appreciate that, and I do like the Dr. Brandt brand. The next product, ooh, I am very excited. This one is from Viziart. This is the Viziart Bronze Noisette, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It says create all over warmth and dimension with this lightweight, long-wearing matte bronzer. Add shape and structure or create a sublime sun-kissed complexion. Retails for $30. It is very cute packaging. Looks like you slide it out. There we go. Pulling this out. Oh, how cute. I have my apricotine eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. You just pull this little tab. It's got a little protector in here, a mirror, satisfying, and this is the bronzer. It looks like a very pretty shade. That's what it looks like. So I do want to get this on my face. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of foundation and concealer and powder on, and I'll be right back. So this is the foundation. I used my Dior matte, and I can definitely still see a glow on the face, but I do have to say the skin does look really nice. We go ahead and throw on some concealer. Okay, concealer and powder are on. I will have all of the products on my face listed in the description box as usual, and let's get this bronzer on my face. Let's see what it looks like. Viziart is one of my very favorite eyeshadow formulas. I have a couple of their palettes. I love them. So I'm going to grab my fluffier BH Cosmetics brush. I have no idea how pigmented this is, so I'd rather just go in light and build. It looks beautiful. I love the compact packaging, but yet it doesn't seem like you don't get anything in the product. I'll have to do a comparison, because sometimes packaging can fool you. It doesn't look like you're getting a lot, but you really are. Let me know what Viziart products you've tried, but for sure I adore their eyeshadows. A little bit on the edges of my nose, tip, and underneath. I'm going to throw a little blush and highlight on, and I'll be right back. Blush and highlight are on. Have to say I'm loving this Care Bear Wet n Wild highlight, which, have you seen that video? I just posted it on Saturday, and there's a giveaway in there, so I'll make sure I link it. Make sure you watch it, because it's a good one. Next we have my choice item. So I can't even remember what the other one was, but I remember being excited about this. This is the Violet Voss Sunkissed Summer Eye Shadow and Presta Pigment Palette. Achieve the most iconic summer looks from sunny golds to blazing hot rose golds. Experience exquisite formulas from ultra smooth mattes to dazzling metallics that layer and blend seamlessly with one another. Ooh. Let's open it up. I've gotten Violet Voss palettes from Boxycharm before, and I have loved them. Love the packaging. Very, very pretty. Inside we have a mirror and a protector, and that is gorgeous. Let me swatch some of these for you. We've got Sandbar, Sunkissed, Sensation, Gold Coast, and Heat Wave. Here are the deeper shades. We have Glow On, Cool Down, Sunny's Out, Berry Hot, and Tan Lines. They look very pretty. I think I'm gonna take Sensation and put this one in the crease. I'm wearing yellow today. I love anything yellow and gold and brown. So let's test this out. I'm putting Sensation in the crease. Looking good. That's very pretty. I'm going to take that same shade and go under the eyes. If you're curious, that was my Refer 14 brush. Now I'm going to go into my e.l.f. Mint Melt collection, and I'm going to go into this Tan Lines, and I'm going to use that to deepen the outer corner. So simple, so easy. When the shadows are good and the brushes are good, you definitely notice. There's more of a flat brush in this collection. I'm going to take that flatter Mint Melt collection brush and go underneath. I'll make sure I link this set for you because the last I saw it was on sale on e.l.f.'s website. It's a nice little brush set. Alright, now for something fun on the lid. I think I'm going to put a little bit of Sunkissed on my outer lid and then a little bit of Sunkissed on my inner lid. So of course I want to play with all the shades. Yes, that is beautiful. Creamy, nice. Not gritty or chalky at all. Just feels almost liquidy, just smooth. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to go into Sunkissed, which is just a brighter yellow. I should say yellow gold shimmer. Yes, that is beautiful. Love it. To go back into that Rephr that had the Sensation in it. Gorgeous. Let me throw a little liner and mascara on, and I'll be right back. The last thing in the box is this from Moonlit. This is the brand Moonlit by Mikaela. Made for comfortable all-day wear, Moonlit by Mikaela hoovers, lipstick pencils give your smile the buttery, moisturizing formula it deserves and the color payoff you've always wanted in one convenient pencil that's easy to tuck in a purse or makeup bag. And it looks like it says number 49 Core, K-O-R-E. Let's see what that looks like. Very pretty. Pretty packaging. And let's swatch this color. It's hard to tell. It kind of looks pink, but it kind of looks coral. It's pretty. Color is much pinker than I thought it would be. Can't say I love it with this eye look. It feels very smooth. It's not sticky. It feels very nice. I'm not sure how long lasting it is. I'm gonna blot it and see what it looks like. Hardly anything on the tissue, so that's good. It looks like it sets really well. So what I will do to warm this up is I will use some of my Maybelline. This is their Lifter Gloss in the shade Crystal. Helps a little bit. Still looks a little pink for my taste. I may change this out before I go out tonight. I'm having a date night with the hubs. My niece is keeping my little one for me. She keeps him once a month, so it's really, really nice to have an overnight or a night out with my husband. I'm very much looking forward to that. So hopefully this makeup will go well. Let me go over again the products that I got and what I think about them. The Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish. I will absolutely use this. I love a face mask or face wash type product. The Dr. Brandt Moonlit Primer, not sure. The skin does look quite a bit glowy, which is just not my taste, but I throw no shade towards Boxycharm because I know that is the trend right now, the glowing skin, and us oily girls out there already have glowing skin. The Viziart bronzer, love it. I think it is beautiful. I'm not surprised. I was thrilled when I saw that it was in the box. Viziart has some fabulous products. I love the packaging. Travel friendly, magnetizes shut. Great. And then the Violet Voss. This is the star of the show. I think that this is a beautiful palette. I love the popping shimmers. I love how easy the mattes were to blend into the eye. Should have done a cool toned, pinker look with this to go with the lip, but that's okay. My comfort zone are the browns and golds. Maybe I'll try it in an upcoming video and do more of a pinky look since I am loving pinks more and more these days. Forgot to mention the lip liner. I do like it. Just not sure I love the shade. So let me go ahead and add up the total of the box and we'll see what the value was. Total value of the box comes to $161. Am I pleased? Absolutely. I got some quality products. I got mostly makeup. Boxycharm, are you listening? Because I think there are other subscribers out there that want makeup. If you are not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I try to do giveaway videos every now and again. Like I said, watch this past Saturday's video. There's a giveaway in that one. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It really helps my channel. And of course, leave me a comment. Do you get Boxycharm? Did you get different items in your box? Are you interested in Boxycharm? I will have everything in the description box below, including information about Boxycharm, all of the makeup that was on my face today, where you can find me on Instagram. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.